ADN es noticia.
Estoy en el súper, ¿necesitas algo?
Sí. Pues le sorprende que le doy.
Hay un cartel que te dice si
Se da el paso.
tiene que estar o lo otro.
No, nos vamos por acá, porque vamos a subir ahí. Siempre entro por ahí porque entro al trabajo, pero usted.
This is the hospital in Coyhaique.
De viajar en avioneta de allá para acá, puedes viajar, no alcanza por la distancia, ¿cierto? Mucha distancia.
Yeah, sí, hasta las pueblas y estancias también a veces, pero es no estancia, pero es. So, muchas gracias.
Bueno.
So, hasta la Puerto Aysen ahora. ¿Y cuántos minutos más? ¿30?
Oh. 35 minutos más.
35, bueno. Y el tiempo está bien. I just arrived in Puerto Aysen. It's the main street. So they also got a Unimark over here on the way out of Puerto Aysen. Alright, Natalie, how long have you been waiting here?
6 hours.
6 hours? And we got about an hour left?
No. 45 minutes.
45 minutes? So man, you were so ambitious, you came so early. You didn't want to miss it.
Yeah, because I missed my first flight to Ushuaia, that's why.
Okay.
No, I'm taking the safe.
You're being extra cautious.
Yeah.
That's good. So, how are you feeling now with your health?
It's okay. I don't feel like I have fever. It just hurts a little because it's still thick and.
Yeah, I don't think I can see it though.
No, you can't. It's very. I look like, if you just see that part, I look like a fat kid.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, but your headache's gone?
Yeah, everything's
The
gone.
fever's gone?
Yeah, I don't feel like I have fever. I feel really good, but I think it's the pills.
Okay, so you can't judge for sure.
Yeah. I think it's pills, and yeah, it still hurts a little bit, but it's not that bad. And I can open my mouth again. Like this wide.
That's not wide.
Yeah,
but
it's wider than this morning.
Hey, you felt worse last night or this morning?
Last night.
Last night was the worst.
It was worse, yeah. Because there I had fever, and I could feel it growing. Yeah.
Oh man. Huh.
I laid down, and then it was like this.
Man, that's really strange because we don't know how it happened.
No, I have no idea.
Huh.
But it hurted. It started hurting a few days ago, like 3 days ago.
3 days ago.
3 days it started hurting here, and I felt, I don't know, in Vito Higgins, I felt strange, like headache and.
That's kind of when it started, right?
Yeah, kind of back pain and then I was thinking, man, am I going to get sick or what's going to happen? But
so probably give it
on daytime I felt good.
Yeah.
I felt well.
Like when you bought your ticket.
Huh?
When you bought your boat ticket.
Yeah, for example. Well, no. Was it yesterday?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh no, yesterday I still felt not that good. I thought it's not that bad.
So what's your plan for the 28-hour boat ride?
Sleeping. And recovering.
So recovering by the time you reach Chiloé?
Yeah.
That's good.
And then in Chiloé I can...
You'll have energy again.
Yeah.
Start brand new.
But I can't drink for 7 days now.
7 days?
Yeah, 7 days!
Yeah, how's that going to be a vacation for you?
I don't
A
know.
little different?
Sober.
Your first sober vacation?
Yeah, it's going to be an experience.
Yeah, okay. So we get there on the 7th, and then you can be there until what, the 15th? Or when are you going to
No,
leave?
I have to be on 15th. I have to be in Colorado.
So you need a day plus a day. You're still going to Santiago?
I don't know.
You're not sure yet?
I'm not yet.
Oh, okay.
I'm like Stefano.
Yeah, but, but he decides at the very last second.
Yeah.
Alright, well, nice day, huh?
Yeah. Too warm.
So this is the boat. It's called, right there, Alejandrina. So we got internet everywhere, even here near the ferry. Well, what time is it, Natalie?
It's pill time.
So you're gonna take these antibiotic pills religiously?
Antibiotic against inflammation, against fever,
Man,
and I think it's the same.
the same one, yeah. So how long are you gonna take these stuff?
For a week, but
a
then
whole
I'm
week?
going to throw because
That's not worth it.
that's not worth
No.
it. I don't like this. I feel like a grandmother with all
Oh man.
Yeah.
Every day, huh? Every 6 hours? Or
Every 8 hours.
every 8 hours?
Yeah.
No alcohol for you. You're disappointed.
7 days. Can you give me my water, please?
Yeah. What'd you say?
The South Americans, if you just have something very small, they fill you up with everything, with all
really?
medicaments they have.
Man.
It's so necessary.
And they said go to the doctor, but you thought it's not that urgent.
No. They said, when I was in the pharmacy, they said, go to the hospital. Really, go to the hospital. And I said, no, I don't like hospitals. And then it got so worse in the night that the neighbor doctor came, and then she said, you need to take antibiotica, and you're not allowed to enter the ship if you are without medicaments.
Yeah, but hopefully 28 hours of resting helps.
Yeah.
You get documents. So finally getting on the ferry to Chiloé. It's been your mission this whole trip, huh?
I'm quite excited.
Yeah? So on board for the 28-hour boat ride. So what'd you find out?
We have 40 hours on that ship now.
Really?
40 hours.
Yeah, but it's better because then you can sleep on board at night, the second night. That'll be your longest boat ride ever, huh?
40 hours.
Oh,
We are
man.
going to stay 1 hour in every city.
Is that what it is? And it's 7 cities, so that's like 7 hours of wasted time.
I would have liked to have more food with me than I need.
That's good. So when do we arrive though?
Friday in the morning.
Yeah, it's better to arrive in the morning.
And then we have a host.
Yeah.
Or
Alright.
we continue traveling to Ansu.
Get an early start that day?
Yeah, I wanna ride.
Yeah, because if we start in the morning, we could probably arrive by evening, yeah?
That would be good.
Yeah.
Depends on how I feel.
So you have more time to recover. So we're finally leaving Puerto Chacabuco. So we're finally leaving Puerto Chacabuco. We waited here a long time. I got here at 12:10. I almost thought I missed the ferry, but I didn't. And now it's 7:30, so I've been here 7.5 hours waiting for this ferry. And we can finally say goodbye to this town. But what we have in front of us is the most dramatic journey ever, because it's a 40-hour ferry ride that's going to take us tonight, Wednesday, tomorrow night, Thursday, and we arrive on Friday morning, which is not bad because on Friday morning we can start hitchhiking north across Chiloé Island. But we'll see fantastic scenery here, almost like Alaska, but not quite. It's chilly, so I'm kind of curious to see these villages too. Not too many people on board either, so that's a plus. Not a lot of cars, so we're gonna stop at about 7 different villages and towns along the way, and it should last about an hour at each place, so not bad at all. A different perspective, once in a lifetime opportunity. I'll never do this again, most likely. So we're going so slow. Well, now it's getting dark and the night has begun.